Hello and welcome, my name is Vakila here. In this tutorial we're going to look at the Roland GR55 guitar synthesizer, and we're going to look at the guitar as well, where we put the GK55 there. First up we start with this one here, with the Roland. This is the guitar effect. The guitar effect gizmo, if you want. And if I'm gonna put it the other way around, let's start at the back here. Start at the back here. You got this cable here that connects to the guitar, and that's the input into there, and connects to the guitar. And we also have these. That's the guitar out, then the stereo out, the mono, and for recording, the mono, and then the right here can record stereo here. And this one is the phone, can connect your speakers there or your headphones. And you also have this MIDI input and output, ports here, and you got this USB port. If I can remove that, that's the square USB. This square USB is used when you want to record on the computer, and this acts as an audio interface straight into the computer on programs like Logic Pro, Reaper, and so on. Your DAWs. And you have the switch here, on-off switch, the cable management hook there, and this is the power supply. And your DC power supply there, and this is about it on the back here. And on the sides, let's look on the side. On the side there's a USB stick player. You can actually play a USB there. There's a USB that I put there. This is the USB stick, and you just put it in there, and you close that, and you can play that USB on this keyboard here. You can play it, and you can see there's a play here, and you can jam with that. Okay, now on the top of this beautiful thing, we have I gotta correct a bit of cable management under here. So and volumes are trying to wreak some havoc here. So what you can do is to shut down that, and you have 3 pedals here, 1, 2, 3, 4 foot pedals that you can tweak to change your effects. And this is the power switch. I've shown you the power switch. Now it's booting the Roland GR55, and here you got a keyboard for playing and playing around with the effects, and this selector switch here selects your effect there. For example, I can go that on this vibraton, dark trumpet, high note. There are lots of effects there, up to 100. And you got some you got some lead effects, rhythm effect, and the other. And then you can put your own user effects here. Okay, so these are the bangs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and you can edit them here. Edit ease edit, and this is the foot pedal for pushing the volume on or off. Okay, that's this one here. Pedal on, off. Okay, and so we're gonna hear it. Let's select this to, I'll go down to vibratons, and we explain the guitar a little bit. So you put it down, and you connect this thick cable to the guitar, and here is the connection on the guitar. On the guitar you have the GK3. I had said the GK55, it's actually the GK3, and it's got your selection here of your effects, and you can select the GK itself on its own from the GR55, or a mix of the GR55 and the guitar, or the guitar on its own. Okay, so we want to play the GK today, and this is the volume control. Okay, this is the cable that goes into, and this little cable you can actually put it into the guitar so that you can play around this mix here. But at the moment I'm connecting straight to a different channel on the machine there. The guitar is there, and this is the GR55. Okay, and I have routed it to this Roland so that we can hear the sound. We'll test a little bit of, yeah, just a few we're gonna test a few effects there and find out how they appear. So I'm on 0 there. Now this is the guitar without the GR55. Now I'm gonna put the GR55 on. We're gonna put the I'm gonna reduce the volume of the guitar itself. I'll remain with the GR55. Now this is the vibratone effect. I can play a little song for you. This is quite too sensitive. That's it. So the GK55, you need to do a lot of I'm playing this shit here. You need to do a lot of muting here, because otherwise it becomes uncontrollable. Now, that was vibratones. We can go to a different one. Let's go to a whistle if you want. Oh, wow feedback. That's a wow feedback. We're gonna reduce the volume there. That's a wow feedback. That's very. There's so many here. Bass. Now we want to go to a. I can play. This is the metal. That's a metal saw, and you have a brassy lead. Now I want to play you the Merry Christmas. there, guys, and this is have fun with the GR55. Now you can also play. You hear that sound, the beautiful sound. The more you play with the effects, the more you become creative. Let's long echo lead. That's a long lead there, and rocky organ. End up there with a vibrato, and that's a rocky organ, and long echo. Let's go. I'm actually looking for simple square. Let's hear simple square. Dingo, 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 Satan. This is beautiful, yeah? Can you hear that? That's a one oct mild lead. Unison lead. Unison. I've told you about unisons. You can play a and so it does some music like it's playing two instruments playing at the same time. So you can. Can do that. That's unison lead. Beautiful. Lead beast. There's so many. That's it's very, some of the sounds are difficult to control. Too difficult to control. Dream bell. you can go on with that song. There is a beautiful song. One of my songs that I did a long time ago. It's nice. Now let's go to female chorus. They are beautiful sound. 70s unison. That's another unison 70s. Okay. Comfortable solo. A comfortable solo. Those are some of the Christmas songs that you can play on this GR55. Very beautiful. They have defined sounds, defined effects, pretty good. So let's select another one. That's guitar plus organ. Very old song that we used to sing at church in our school back in the day. I'm back on vibraton. So we can sing a mbira kind of stuff here, like. You know that song, Chikende, Sadawajgaire, Chikende, Nimzero. Very beautiful song there. And I'll release this song for you. I already did it on the machine, so you're gonna, one of the days I'm gonna throw it on the YouTube, and you're gonna enjoy it. It's got the bass and the lead guitar, and I'll put some vocals there so that you may listen to it. It's one of the songs that you if you want to learn the African guitar, you can learn how to play this one. And a very simple song, very beautiful, and the bass is very beautiful as well. So we're gonna put the bass. Now the GR55, I only play this guitar there because you need this GK3, and you can't play the bass there. That's one downside of things there. So this is the thing. And well, there's one effect that I didn't play for you, which is I think I should go down a bit. Yes, I got it. This is the whistle. I used it on last Christmas 2014 there. I used it. That's the GR55 for you there, and I'm playing the strange whistle effect, and it's good. bit uncontrollable as well. I should have played this guitar with wearing a t-shirt. This is disturbing the whole thing because I need to mute it. So this is the thing. This is the GR55 for you, and if you get a few dollars, please, this is a nice effect pedal to pick, and you know, while your time with it, you know, recording, you can record straight to the computer. And this is a beautiful thing. There's Roland. This is Roland GR55, Roland speaker, and the Roland boss there. So beautiful. Roland is ruling here. Okay. Oh dear. So that's beautiful. This is beautiful, and the GR55 is beautiful. Thank you very much. My name is Vakile. Well, I'll meet you in the review of this thing again when we enter into the menus and find out what we have in there, and try to record our thing on the computer as well to find out how good it is as an audio interface. The GR55 for you there. My name is Vakile. Happy Christmas. Merry New Year 2016. And please behave yourself. Oh, I can't stress more. Cheers. Vakile here.